Hello students, so continuing with lecture sessions on differentiating of various concepts related to marketing and finance. Today we will discuss the difference between the primary market and the secondary market. As we know that capital market is distinguished into primary market and secondary market based on its working and some essential features. Now let's discuss the differences between the primary market and the secondary market by first defining both the terms. The primary market is a market in which shares are issued for the very first time. So it is also known as new issue market. Whereas on the other hand, in secondary market, old shares which are already issued are traded, so we call it a aftermarket. In primary market, buying and selling takes place between the investors and the company, whereas secondary market mostly deals in buying and selling operations between various investors. Then primary market provide financing for the companies for their growth and expansion through IPOs. I have a detailed lecture session on IPO, which is initial public offer. You can watch on my channel. Whereas on the other hand, there is no such financing given by the secondary markets. Then the working of primary market is assisted by the underwriters, whereas brokers help in operating of the secondary market. The price levels in case of primary market are fixed as the shares are sold at a fixed price. On the other hand, the price levels varies with demand and supply in case of secondary market. As the primary market is a fresh market, so here the securities can be sold just once, whereas on the other hand, in case of secondary market, continuous buying and selling of securities is carried out. Then in case of primary market, the company that issues securities has to go through many regulations. But in case of secondary market, the investors and the brokers follow rules which are set by the exchange and other regulating agencies like SEBI. SEBI is Securities and Exchange Board of India. So we conclude that both the primary market and the secondary market play a crucial role in the growth of the economy of the nation. So here is the brief picture of differences between the primary market and the secondary market. So this is all in today's lecture session. Do subscribe to my channel Kanwal Sidhu for more easy and simple lecture sessions related to BBA, BCom, MBA and MCom. Thank you.